Game sa ating San Juan City Employees Olympic 2025 All-Star Game between the Team A versus the Team B. Please don't forget to like and share and follow us on our Facebook. Maraming salamat po. Yeah! From a Team A tayo. Alright, yeah. Yan, isa sa mga all-star yan. From a team, Big Consular Big Reyes team. Yeah. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Team B. Ayan, ating Berlin Duniega. You know. Team B, and headed by former Kagawad Ricky Pantaleon. Good luck. Let's the battle begin. Sino kaya ang mananalo naman para sa ating men's all-star? Team A kaya or ang Team B? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. And congratulations nga pala kanina. Napaka-intense ng laban. Panalo po ang Team A sa ating women's volleyball all-star. Sino kaya naman ang sa men's all-star game ang magcha-champion at tatanghaling finals MVP? Doon pa lang, panalo na. Okay, from Team B, ayan sila Sir Edwin Crisologo. Let's go. At para naman sa Team A, nandito sila Iya. Ayan, na sila Solis, Oraye. Ayan, si Ryan, nandito rin. And si Sir Nakanay. That's sila Sir number 3. And that's Bautista, number 11. Let the battle begin from ating men's volleyball all-star dito po sa San Juan City Employee Olympic 2025. Good luck. And the first ball kanina mapupunta sa Team A. Okay, Team A ang first ball to the jersey number 15, Oraye. Shoutout po kay Ma'am KP. Ma'am Pia Hill is watching. Magandang gabi po, Ma'am KP. Ma'am Pia Hill. Alright, let's go. Oraye on the service. Oh! And the first blood para kay Oraye sa Team A. Oraye on the service. Good serve para kay Oraye. Ayan na, naitawid ng Team B. Bautista to Aya. Blocked by Crisologo. Iya. Drop ball by Solis. Pero nandun. Ayan na, drop ball. Oh! Walang tawag ang ating referee. Tingnan natin ang decision. Okay, wala tawag. All one. Ay. Ano score? Wala pa. Inanggal po. Wala pong score yun. Oh! Ayan na. Nagpaparamdam na si Sir Solis. From Team A. Official score 2-0. Oraye on the service. Oraye. Good serve. Lars will receive. Ferdy. Oy! Babawi doon. Si Panili ba? Sorry, correct me wrong, bro. 2-1 ang ating dalaan. AJ Valdez on the service. Oh, Iya was there. Bautista will set to Solis with a drop. Oh! Yun lang. Hindi umabot ang tira ni Lars. Puntos na naman para sa Team A on the service area by jersey number 11, Sir Bautista. Bautista on the service. Naiangat dito. Ayan na. Oh! Puntos para sa Team B at 3-2 by Sir Edwin Crisologo on the service area. Good serve. Iya will receive. Bautista will set to Solis. Inside. Coming from Solis. 4-3. 4-2 rather. Iya Cabizon on the service. Good serve. Angelica will receive. Here comes Lars. Uy, naiangat ni Oraye. Bautista to Solis. Oh, inside na naman. Coming from Solis. 5-2 ang ating talaan. Iya Cabizon on the service. Naiangat ni Lars. Here comes Angelica. Tinawid ni Dakanay. That's Family. Ayan na, Dakanay! Dito pala sa kabila yun. From Team A. Check out. Official score 6-2. Iya Cabizon on the service. Good serve. Sir Edwin will receive. Ayan na. Family. Oh! Ayan na. Muli, happy birthday po sa ating sports head, Sir Rhyme Pamboy de la Cruz. Happy birthday po, Sir Cogs. Okay, puntos para sa Team B. Ayan na, good serve. Oh! Outside. Puntos para sa Team A. Here comes Solis on the service area. Richard Solis. Richard on the service. Edwin will receive. Ayan na, binigay kay Ferdina. Ayan natin Iya. Tinawid. Here comes Lars. Coprado. Nakita ang butas. Pasok yan para kay Lars Coprado. 17-4. Dizon on the service. Bautista. Here comes Dakanay. Not over. Block from behind by Ferdy Deniega. Baba sa dalawang lamang. Here comes Dizon. Naiangat ni Dakanay. Bautista will set to Oraye. Naiangat ni Hizon. Here comes Angelica. Bautista will receive. Agravante, tinawid. Hizon to Angelica. Iya was there. Bautista with the drop. Ferdy. Ayan na. Si Lars. Tama. Puntos para sa Team A. Agravante. Naitawid. Ayan na si Ferdy. Oh! Inside coming from Ferdy. Deniega. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng Team A. Here comes Lars Coprado on the service. Lars. Naiangat ni Iya. Here comes Dakanay. Naiangat ni Hizon. Oh! Good! What a nice shot there para sa Team B. Dakanay will the drop ball coming from Dakanay. 9-6 ang ating talaan. 3-point lead. Here comes Dakanay on the service. Jersey number 4. Good serve. Ayan na, Edwin will dig. Ayan na, Ferdy. Oraye will receive. Bautista will set to Oraye. Block by Ferdy. At di na naitawid ni Bautista ang bola ron. Puntos na naman para sa Team B. 9-7, down by 3. Here comes Ferdy on the service area. Good serve. Oh, napalakas nga lang ang tira doon. On the service area, jersey number 15, Oraye. Here comes Oraye. Good serve. Oh! What a nice serve coming from Oraye. Jersey number 15. Oraye. Oh! Puntos para sa Team B. Angel on the service. Here comes Angel. Good serve. Tinaas si Iya. Papalo si Iya. Drop ball. Bautista will dig. Ay na si Manili. by jersey number 8. Ayan na, baba sa dalawang lamang ng Team A. Angel on the service. Here comes Angel. Uy, na ang ating agrabante. Cabizon knocks it down. Napakatulin, napakabilis ang tira ni Cabizon. Bautista on the service area. Good serve. Angel will receive. Hizon will setting on to Papili. Oy! Good serve. Binigay kay Solis. Naiangat ni Lars. Here comes Hizon to Papili. Oy! Naibaon si doon. Crisologo, Mamshi. Good serve. Papalo. Outside. Puntos para sa Team B. Ayan na, Sir Edwin. Nayangat, nice dig. Ayan na si Solis with the drop. Lars were there. He's on the guy. Kay number 8, inside. Tabla na tayo sa 12. Sir Edwin Crisologo on the service. Good serve. Nayangat ni Oraye. Bautista will setting on to Solis. Manili was there. He's on will setting on number 8. At the back row, Oraye was there. Bautista to Solis. Naibaon naman. At nakabawi ang Team A coming from Richard Solis. Ayan na. 13-12. Uy. Not over. Pasensya na po. Mukhang naglalag ako. Ayan na. Uy! Outside. Richard Solis on the service area. Here comes Richard. Ayan na. Papalo rito. Block from behind by Dakanay. 15-13. Balik tayo sa dalawang lamang ng Team A. Here comes Solis. Outside. Puntos para sa Team B. 15-14 ang ating score. Ayan na si Hizon ng ating Dakanay. Bautista will set to Oraye na iangat dito. Here comes Angel. Solis was there. Bautista will set it to Dakanay. Nandun si Hizon. Lars, drop ball by Ferdy. Ferdy Daniega nagpaparamdam na rin para sa Team B. All-Star. Tabla tayo sa 15. On the service area, Hizon on the service. Hizon, Dakanay will receive. Bautista will send into Araye. Andyan si Crisologo. Hizon to Daniega. That's Ferdy. Back to back. Shot coming from Daniega. Ferdy. Lamang na sila ng isa. Hizon, Dakanay. Agrabante, tinawid. Crisologo was there. Hizon will setting on to Lars. Nandyan si Solis. Oy! Hindi na umabot. Ayan na. Lumalamang na naman. At ang Team B naman ang lumalamang dito ng dalawa. 17-15. Hizon, Agrabante will receive. Solis will setting on to Oraye. Oy, nice dig. Pero hindi na ipasok. Baba sa isang lamang ng Team B. 17-16. Agrabante on the service area. Good serve coming from Sir Agrabante. Ayan na si Hizon setting on Ferdy. Inside by Ferdy Daniega. 18-16 ang ating talaan. Lars Coprado on the service area. Here comes Lars. Richard Solis will receive. Bautista setting on to Dakanay. Oh! Dakanay! Pasok na pasok yan para kay Dakanay. 18-17. Down by 1. Dakanay on the service. Here comes Dakanay. Good serve. Lars will receive. He's on setting on to Ferdy. Nandun si Dakanay. Inangyat ni Iya. Bibigay kay Oraye. Nandun si Lars. He's on setting on to Angel. Oh! What a nice shot coming from Angel Valdez. 19-17 ang ating talaan. Here comes Ferdy. Solis will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye. At nakabawi doon si Oraye. Ayan na, down by 1. 19-18. Oraye on the service. Oh, not over. (18-20) 2-point lead. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Here comes Angel Valdez on the service area. Angel, good serve. Oraye will receive. Bautista with the drop ball. Lars was there. Ayan na. Pinigay kay Panili. Oh! Butas na butas. Miscommunication there para sa Team A All-Star. 21-18. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team B. Here comes Angel Valdez. Once again, Oraye will receive. Bautista binigay kay Solis. At doon, nakabawi si Solis. Oleg sa dalawang lamang. Here comes Bautista. Good serve. Ferdy will receive. He's on. Binigay kay Panili. Tama ba? Panili? Sorry po. Okay. Crisologo Edwin on the service. Oraye will receive. Bautista setting on to Richard. Drop ball. Hizon was there. Angel. Oy! Ay! Hindi umabot. Putos para sa Team A. Umahabol ang Team A. Iya Cabizon on the service area. Not over. 23-20. Here comes Manili. Oraye will receive. Bautista binigay kay Dakanay. Nandun si Hizon. Lars setting on to Ferdy. Oh! Outside. Outside daw po yun. Sabi natin referee. Official score 23-21. Down by 2 ang Team B. On the service area, Richard Solis, jersey number 15. Good serve. Crisologo will serve. He's on well attack. What a nice shot coming from Hizon. Ayan na. Last one. Match point para sa Team B. Here comes Hizon. Good serve. Richard was there. Iyaw setting on. Block by Ferdy. Ayan na. Oh! And we have a winner for the first set. Panalo po ang Team B sa first set. Final score 21-25. 4-point lead para sa Team B. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi dito ang Team A sa set number 2. At magbabalik tayo para sa ating set number 2. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating liga dito po sa ating San Juan City Employee Olympic 2025. This is the Men's Volleyball Division All-Star. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon at tatanghaling finals MVP? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. And muli, shout out kay Ma'am KP. Ma'am Pia Hill is watching here right now live sa ating video at sa ating mga co-employee. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Shout out po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po at magbabalik para sa ating second set. Okay, let's going back to the ball game. Set number 2 naman tayo. Tignan natin kung makakabawi dito ang Team A. Pinasok na rin dito para sa Team B si Dwight Babagay. Ayan. Tignan natin ang gagawin niya this all-star game. At ganun din si numbers 20. Alright. Let's go back to the ball game. Lars Coprado on the service area. Good serve coming from Lars. Ryan. Oh! It's a miscommunication. First blood para sa Team B. Lars Coprado on the service. Good serve. Orion will receive. Bautista binigay kay Iya. Oh, inside. Coming from Iya. Cabizon. Tabla tayo. Sa isa. Here comes Bautista on the service. Oy, Dwight will receive. Here comes Angel. Ayan na, nag-iswag na si Angel Bautista. Valdez rather. Ayan na, Solis! Tabala tayo. Nakita ng open ni Solis. Iya Cabizon on the service. Oy! Not over. Change favor. Lamang na po ang Team A. Here comes Iya on the service. Angel will receive. Hison give it up to Angel. Nandun si Bautista. Ayan na si Richard. Oh! Outside. Tabla tayo sa tatlo. Substitution, pinasok na rin po si number 8 for Team B. Panili on service. Oy, Oraya will see Bautista setting on to Dakanay. Ando si Panili. He's give it up to Dwight. Babagay. Bautista will there. Ayan na si Richard. Oh! Naya nga ni Lars. Pero outside nga lang. Putos para sa Team A. On the service area, Richard Solis. Ayan na, naiangat. Hizon. Oh, what a nice dig by Bautista. Oraye with the drop. Hizon was there. Angel give it up to White. Not over. White mabagay. 5-3 ang ating talaan. On the service area, Richard Solis. Naiangat. Ayan na. Tinawid. Dakanay was there. Bautista will setting on to Oraye. Naiangat. Hizon will set it to Angel. Richard was there. Bautista was there. Ayan na si Oraye. Uy, Hizon naiangat. Setting on to Angel. Oh, Ryan was there. He give it up to Richard at the back row. Na-receive yan ni Hizon. Binalik. Uy! Ay! Sayang. Ayan na, down by 1. 5-4 ang ating talaan. Here comes Angel. Good serve. Oh! Angel Valdez. On the service. Tabla tayo sa 5. Here comes Angel Valdez. Good serve. Oh! Another service. Ace. By Angel Valdez. Stage 4 tayo. Here comes Angel once again. Ayan na, Oraye will receive. Bautista to Dakanay. Outside. 7-5, 2-point lead para sa Team B. Angel Valdez on the service. Good serve. Richard, free ball, Oraye. Angel will receive. He's on setting on to Lars. Blocked by Iya. Oh! What a block. Sayang. Tutos. 7-6, down by 1. Here comes Hizon, setting on to Lars. Oh! Block from behind by Dakanay. Tabla tayo sa 7. Ryan on the service. Oy! Está stepping on the line by Ryan. Change favor. Ayan na, si Dwight Babagay once again on the service area. This all-star, oy! Naiangat, here comes Dakanay. Naiangat dito ng libero. Setting on to Lars. Oy! Bautista was there, Dakanay, binigay kay Oraye, free ball. Oh! Naiangat! Oy! Ay! Alright, tabla tayo sa 8. Dakanay on the service area. Here comes Dakanay. Dwight will receive. Hizon give it up to Lars. Naiangat ni Ryan. Hizon was there. Ay na, libero. Binigay kay Lars. Richard Bautista. Tinawid. Libero was there. Hizon. Binigay kay Lars. Drop ball. Iya. Bautista setting on to Oraye. Block from behind. Babagay was there. Tinawid. Here comes Iya. Bautista to Iya. Ayan na, si Lars, binalik ni Hizon. Richard was there, inangat. Iya give it up to Oraye with the block. And a slam attack coming from Oraye. Official scores 9-8. 1-point lead para sa Team A. Here comes Hizon to Lars. At nakabawi dito si Lars Coparado. Tabla tayo. Ayan na. Uy. Not over. Puntos para sa Team A. At 10-9 tayo. Oraye on the service. Lars will receive. He's on. Give it up to Panili. Naiangat ni Iya. Takanay. Drop ball. Here comes Season. Setting on to Panlili at the back row. Pero walang nakakuha. Pinili. With a shot. Tabla tayo sa 10. Lars Coprado on the service. Here comes Lars. Coprado. Good serve. Ayan na. Dakanay setting on to Solis. Babagay na yangan pero walang nakakuha. Check it out. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team A. Here comes Bautista on the service. Babagay will receive. Hizan will setting on to Paylili. Ayan na, Hizan again. Binigay naman kay Angel na iangat ni Dakanay. Oraye setting on to Richard. Black by pinili. Binalik sa kabila. Richard papalo at naipasok ang bola ron. Puntos para sa Team A. Fisher score 12-10. 2-point lead. Lars will receive. Hizan with a drop. Inside by Hizan. 12-1 at 12-10 at 12-11 in favor pa rin sa Team A. Hizan will set. Iya pinigay kay Richard. Angel was there. Bautista pinigay. Pinilit na ipasok ang bola ron. Tabla tayo sa 12. On the service area, Hizan. Good serve by Hizan. Bautista will receive. Iya setting on to Richard. Block from behind. Hizan sa kabila. Nandun si Lars. Hizan pinaon. Hindi pala ka-recover doon. Si Hizan. Nabaw. Ayan na. Iya. What a nice serve. What a nice receive. Ayan na si Pinili. Nayangat ni Bautista. Iya binigay. Richard na naman. At this time, babagay naman ang tinira. Ayan na. Official score is 14-12.